Station, please respond 247 Elizabeth Street off of Victoria Street in Lawnsboro. You're responding for a smoke or CO alarm going off in a residence. No symptoms. Again, that's a smoke or a CO alarm going off in a residence at 247 Elizabeth Street. Everybody will wait outside. Again, there's no symptoms, no smoke, no fire. Attention North Huron Blyth Station, please respond 247 Elizabeth Street off of Victoria Street in Lawnsboro. You're responding for a smoke or CO alarm going off. No symptoms, no smoke or fire. All parties will wait outside of the residence at 247 Elizabeth Street. It's currently September 3rd, 3:22:50 in the morning.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Car 3 acknowledges the page for Blyth Station.
Roger that, car 3, you've acknowledged. 3:23:19.
Fire dispatch, you show car 3 responding.
Roger, car 3, you're responding at 3:26.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Go ahead, engine 6.
Engine 6 responding to smoke CO alarms in Lawnsboro. Golf +4 belted.
Roger, engine 6 responding, Golf +4, 3:29:25.
Dispatch, tank 8.
Go ahead, tank 8.
You can show tank 8 responding to belted.
Roger that, tank 8, you're responding with 2 on board. It's 3:29:54.
Fire dispatch, car 3. Can you give me that address and crossroads again, please?
Roger that, car 3. It's going to be 247 Elizabeth Street. Again, that's 247 Elizabeth. It's in Lawnsboro, just off of Victoria Street.
Confirm that. 247 Elizabeth Street. Thank you. Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 arriving scene.
Roger that, car 3 arriving 3:33:33.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Dispatch, we have a year-old, 2-story, sided structure home, natural gas sourced. All residents are out of the structure and fine. Engine 6 is arriving scene.
Roger that, you have a year-old 2-story structure home with natural gas source. Engine 6 is on scene. It's 3:34:56.
Tank 8, when you arrive on scene, you want to stage at the corner and just send one of your manpower up. Copy that. Tank 8 on scene.
Tank 8 on scene at 3:36.
Fire dispatch, this is Golf Captain.
Go ahead. Golf Captain, go ahead.
You can show Golf Captain in command and command mobile. We're going to send a crew of 2 in with the multi-gas meter to do a check of all levels.
that, Golf Captain in command and mobile. Crew will be entering with the meter at 338.
Command in 3-1. Go ahead, entry 1. Copy that. Search the first and second floor with nothing found. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Our crew has exited the building, searching all 3 levels of the home with nothing found. No readings.
Roger that, command. Your crew has exited the building. You searched all 3 levels with no readings and nothing found. 34649.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We have a new crew of 2 going in to do a smoke alarm check through the building. We're going to remove the one detector upstairs we think is faulty.
Roger that, command. You have a new crew of 2 entering to check the smoke alarms. You will remove the possible faulty detector upstairs. 34856.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead. Fire unit calling, go ahead.
Yeah, fire dispatch. Can you give North Huron command the time this call came in, please?
The call came in at 3:21.
Copy that. Call came in at 3:21. Thank you. Go ahead, entry 1. This is command. Copy that. Entry 1, you've completed the sweep of the house. No readings. Thank you. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We've had a second crew do a sweep of the house with 0 readings found. We have located 1 faulty detector in the master bedroom. We're going to replace that and turn the home back over to the homeowner.
Roger that, second crew swept the house, found 0 readings, faulty detector in the bedroom. Then you're going to be turning the home back over to the homeowner at 40454.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 clearing scene.
Roger, car 3 clearing scene at 405.
Go ahead, entry 1, this is command. Copy that, I'll meet you at the front door face to face. Car 3, call. Go ahead, command, car 3. Yeah, car 3, can you return to the scene for me? Yep, car 3 returning to scene. Car 3 has returned to scene as per command's request. Car 3 command, can you meet me at the front door? Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
Command has been terminated, scene has been left with the homeowner, and all units returning to Blyth Station.
Roger that, command terminated. Scene left with homeowner. All units returning 42933.